Kainuman ng June 17, showing the body she was in all along the Master Reunion. Maraming salamat po. Magandang gabi mga Sarina!
Ikaw ang manager.
Congrats, Pepe.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Congrats. Galing-galing as always. Congrats.
That's a great one, bro.
Congrats po, Miss Clau. Congrats po. Congrats po.
It's the start of the big one. That's the start of a lot of big ones.
Miss Clau, short reaction lang. Kamusta naman feeling? Iyak
Oh my
na,
God.
iyak.
Overwhelming, sobrang thankful, grateful sa inyong lahat na nandito ngayon to reference. Sobrang thankful. So proud of my, my family.
Part 2.
T.O.P. Mabidyo, run na! T.O.P. Ha? Biya ka! Ran, nakita mo? Ran mo. Target.
Andun sila!
Ayun, naka-headband.
Oh, ano si daughter? Hi, daughter Pepe.
Ano si Abby?
Payapa.
Payapa! Hi! Congrats po. Short reaction lang po. How does it feel after watching the movie? Kamusta po yung feel after watching?
You know, andun pa rin yung emotion. Kasi parang kahit na I feel the love pa rin. Yung gano'n. Sana naramdaman din ng audience. Sabaw, namumugto na naman mata ko. Every time you see Tito Dolphy talaga,
Kakaya.
nagiging emotional ka din talaga. Kasi we really miss him so much. Ayan na naman ako. Yun, sana nag-enjoy din kayo sa mga nanood ng movie natin. Yun.
Yes, congrats po.
Thank you so much.
Congrats po.
Salamat sa pagpunta.
Welcome po. Congrats. Short reaction lang po sa movie. Natitiyay din.
Nakailang beses na lang yung pinanood ko, pero nakakaiyak pa rin pag nakikita namin si tatay.
Hello.
This is something very close to our hearts. Hindi siya ordinaryong proyekto. Mahal namin yung bawat isa. Mahal namin si tatay.
Congrats po.
Thank you, Berga.
You wanna come back to the pool?
Urbando, congrats po.
Thank you.
Short reaction po after watching.
Hanggang ngayon, naiyak pa rin ako eh. Pero sobrang happy for our movie. And of course, maganda naman ang reaction naman ng premiere night. So, very thankful. And thank you, Papa. Thank you, Lord, for guiding us in doing this movie. Hope you watch our movie. At magaganda. Mamamiss yung lahat. God bless you. Stay safe.
Congrats po. Iiyak pa rin.
Ay!
Senyor!
Ayun yan!
How are you?
I miss you!
I know, I miss you too.
Kuya! Kuya, muy ito.
Uy, may junior!
10 by the way. Congrats. Congrats na yung pangalan. How's the movie? Kamusta?
Nakakaiyak po sobra. Ano ba eh? Actually, it's my second time watching ito pero naiyak ulit ako sa ganda ng movie. Sana po, hopefully, invite niyo yung mga family niyo to watch this. Continuous lang po after June 17th showing na po. Thank you po.
Congrats! Part 2!
Sana po. Ha?
Minum ka pa ba ka? Tayo.
So, ano Tita Richie?
Love you guys sa